We're gonna do Bastermayov asparagus. So I'm gonna start by boiling my asparagus. I like to keep the head a little bit up and then automatically they will come down because the head takes much less time to cook. I love to trim the bottom line of the asparagus so that you don't have these fibers. I'm gonna cut the bottom and put this one too. We're gonna allow our asparagus to cook. Close. This is my Basterma. Okay? Look, ask your seller to give it to you thin because the thinner it is tastier it is. And see the chaman that we call it's less. I don't like a lot of chaman. If you have a lot, just remove it because it's gonna give a lot of spiciness and taste. What I've done with my Basterma, I cut them into cubes, nothing more. You can fry them with the butter, it's excellent. I like it light, so I want to put it as it is. And I prepared my eggs. I boiled them around 8 minutes because I want them soft. And I will put it on the asparagus with the Basterma. And this is the sauce. We're going to prepare the sauce. Just want to smash my eggs. All right. We're gonna take a pan, butter. We're gonna add a little bit of asparagus sauce, especially if you put your own vegetable stock in it, it's gonna give this nice taste. Once the butter is melted, okay, I'm gonna put aside and put my egg inside. This will be my main sauce. Want to add a pinch of red pepper. I'm not gonna put any salt till now. Okay. This would be my plate. Yummy. Let me see if my asparagus is cooked. Done. If you don't want to put any Basterma or meat on it, you can have it alone also. I like it hot. You can put it in cold water to keep the colors, but I'm gonna eat it now, so I want to keep it as it is. It's the time to put my egg. Hurry up, make a small vinaigrette with the lemon and oil to give a nice freshness on it. Olive oil. I'm gonna add on the asparagus from both sides, not on the egg. With the sauce of the egg, it's gonna melt and it's gonna be great. Okay. And now, easily, you just put your Basterma. And you top it with a little bit of parsley, small, light. Basterma and egg goes very well together. Eggs and asparagus goes extremely well together. Imagine the whole combination. I will in a moment, but you're not. Okay. So, the asparagus is not too cooked, you know, it's still crunchy. I love my vegetables crunchy. And my bite with the egg and the Basterma. It's amazing. It's wonderful. If you don't find Basterma, just use the cured meat, but really with Basterma, it's wow. It's really yummy. It's so easy. You just have to try it.